Before assembly, wash your hands with soap and water for 30 seconds. Disinfect your work surface. To assemble your face shields, you will need a hot glue gun, tape, sandpaper or nail file, and scissors. Protect your table from glue, disinfect the surface, and tape down the template with the gluing area nearest you. Tape over the squares where the elastic will be glued. This will protect the template. The assembly template is marked with the measurement for cutting the elastic headbands to size. Measure out the elastic band and cut one for each face shield that you are assembling. Position the plastic over the template. Lightly scuff up the areas that will be glued using sandpaper or a nail file. This will enable the glue to adhere more effectively. Fill the foam line with glue. Wipe away stray glue strands before setting the glue gun down. Firmly press foam onto glue. Completely fill the first circle with glue and press one end of elastic band firmly onto the glue circle. Spread glue to outer edge of plastic shield. If the glue does not spread, it is either too cool or there is not enough glue. Fill second circle with glue. Stretch elastic band over the foam. Fold the end of elastic under, then press firmly onto glue. Once glue has cooled, tug on the elastic and gently pull on the foam to ensure they are securely adhered. Now that all of your face shields are assembled, use rubbing alcohol to wipe away any smudges or stray glue strands. After assembly, stack the face shields, put them in the bag, tape it shut, and attach the letter that came with the kit. Mark the date the face shields were packaged on the outside of the bag. For more information, visit Stencilease.com.